kanina nabanggit po ng ating colleague yung pagiging progressive na ating tax system. Pero if I am to think of an efficient and a high yield tax, I'd like to ask yung opinion po ng ating officials regarding a billionaire's tax. Kasi ilang libo lang naman po ang bilyonaryo sa Pilipinas. Tapos, ibig sabihin yung makakollect natin na tax sa kanila would really help, no? Na ma-fund yung iba't ibang programa ng ating pamahalaan. So, natanong ko rin po ito last year sa plenary. Ang banggit po ay pag-aaralan ito ng ating economic managers. Kaya po now I would like to ask for their opinion.
Could you repeat your question?
Yeah, Madam Chair, I was asking no, kung ano ang pagtingin natin doon sa billionaire's tax kasi efficient ito, ilang libo lang yung sisingilin at pwede pang maging high yield.
Alam mo, in terms of taxation, we prefer to tax what you consume from society rather than your income because your income is what you contribute to society. You're paid higher because your contribution is high, no? But consumption is what you take away from society. So somebody who doesn't earn anything, but he consumes a lot, he should be taxed. Okay? Pag tinatax mo kasi yung mga high income salary, you discourage work initiative. No? So in fact, that's the trend. You rely more on consumption tax rather than income tax.
Madam Chair, wouldn't a billionaire's tax be a form of redistributing income? Kasi po, when we compute yung ating gross national income, usually ang ginagamit natin ay mean or yung arithmetic na average. Buti pa po doon na redistribute natin yung income. Pero in reality, sobrang hirap po na gawin yun. Kaya hindi po ba tayo bukas sa ganong prospects?
I don't think that is a progressive measure. Yung when you tax billionaires, ilan lang yun, di ba? And then pampapogi lang yun, di ba? But the tax yield from a billionaire's tax is much less than a general consumption tax. Okay.
Last question.
Yeah, to end, Madam Chair, no, of course, we can set a rate para naman talaga matiyak natin na mataas yung ating makukuha doon. Lalo na, as mentioned by our colleague, concentrated naman yung yaman ng ating bansa sa iilan. So, why not? No? Magkaroon tayo ng forms to redistribute that at hindi lang doon sa paano natin kinocompute yung ating gross national income.